Hi guys, after you watch your video about scarcity, you're going to do a worksheet about it, or a slide, I guess. Can't say worksheet on Chromebook. It's called Choices and Scarcity. So you should be able to write right on this document, and then you'll share it back with me. So I'm going to read it for you really quickly. It's called Choices and Scarcity. Each and every day, we make choices. Sometimes we decide if we are going to make our bed or not, play with our friends at recess, or if we want water or juice. When we make a choice between two things, we are picking one thing and giving up another. The thing we pick is our choice. Sometimes we have to make choices because of scarcity. Scarcity happens when there is not enough of something for everyone who wants it. For example, if you are playing on the swings with four friends, but there are only two swings, you are experiencing scarcity. At that moment, you will have to make a choice. Should you play on the while some of your friends watch, or should you go and play something else where everyone can join? So what are the choices? And then you're going to type it in here. So think about the choices in that scenario, or you can tell me your own situation. Maybe you're at home and you have a cake, and there are two pieces of cake, and there are three of you who want the cake. That would be a thing of scarcity if you all three want that cake. What can you do? So when you're thinking about this situation and you're all wanting to play, what could you do? Could you take turns? Could you go somewhere else and play another activity? What are the choices? And then the next question is, what is a scarcity? Well, we talked about that, and you also watched a video on that. And then when have you had to make a choice because of scarcity? Explain what happened. So one thing I can give you as an example, when I was a little girl, we had to wait in line for gas because gas was considered a scarcity back then. So you had to decide, are you going to wait in line? Are you going to just not drive the car and take a bus or ride your bike or walk? There were things you had to do. So think about this. You might talk to your parent. You might watch another video if it doesn't make sense, or rewatch that video. It's only 3 minutes. So hopefully this makes a little bit more sense. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. This thing always takes forever to stop. So you could look at me for another minute.